Rollme G6 launched with dual-band GPS and military-grade durability. Rollme G6 dual-band 6-satellite GPS smartwatch with offline maps. Rollme has officially introduced the Rollme G6 smartwatch in global markets, bringing strong outdoor-focused features to users who prioritize accuracy, toughness, and independent navigation. Some of its key features include dual-band 6-satellite positioning, offline map support, a rugged military-grade construction, and long battery endurance. Read on to know more in detail about the Rollme G6. Rollme G6 specifications and features. The Rollme G6 comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display and a sturdy frame built to withstand rough environments. It is certified to U.S. military durability standards and features 5 ATM water resistance. The smartwatch includes sensors such as an altimeter, barometer, and compass, allowing users to stay aware of environmental conditions during outdoor activities. Inside, the G6 is equipped with a 550 mAh battery that delivers extended usage with up to 30 days of standby capability. It has 4 GB of onboard storage for MP3 and MP4 playback and supports pairing with TWS earbuds for listening without a phone. The device also offers Bluetooth calling for convenient hands-free communication. The Rollme G6 runs on a custom smartwatch interface with downloadable watch faces and health tracking options. It supports heart rate monitoring, SpO₂ measurement, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. For navigation, the G6 supports L1 and L5 dual-frequency positioning along with 6 satellite systems, which include GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou, QZSS, and NAVIC. Connectivity features include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi syncing through the companion app, GPS with offline maps, and support for wireless earbuds. Rollme G6 price and availability. The Rollme G6 is priced at $79 on its official store and is available through the official Rollme online store. It comes in charcoal black and blaze orange color options. Buyers will also receive a silicone strap, a stainless steel strap, wireless earbuds, and a festive card as part of a limited-time introductory offer for the first 200 orders.